Okay, next. So this one is Wilcoxon Signed Rank Test. Basically, you have a before and after. You sign first, then you rank. Because that's why I changed the name to become Wilcoxon Signed Rank Test. You sign it first, then you rank. Okay, how to give the sign? The sign is either positive or negative. To give it the sign of positive or negative, you must get the difference. Because we mentioned here, Wilcoxon Signed Rank Test is a before and after test. So you have the before and you have the after. Okay, whenever you're taking BP, you always ask the patient to rest first for 5 minutes. Then you take the BP in. 147, 131. So after you rest for 5 minutes, the BP drop. After you rest, the BP drop. So you can see here, the BP drops nicely. Okay, the systole drops nicely after resting. All drop nicely. So, which means you are trying to prove that if you rest, BP drops. So you should take the BP after resting. Okay. So what happens now? You have 36 dataset. All 36 dataset, you have to arrange like this. You get the difference. You can see here, this is the difference. 131 minus 147, you get difference of 16. 150 minus 166, you get difference of 16. So after you got all the sign, you notice you got sign positive and negative. This is negative, this is positive. You notice that the negative got a lot more than the positive. And so what happened now? We give the rank from the lowest to the largest. How about those who got 0? This is Mr. Cool, Mr. Iceman. BP no effect. After resting 5 minutes, BP still same BP. Before and after. So 144, 144, 135, 135, 144. Same. This one we omit. They are not going to be part of the study. Because why? They got no sign. They are not positive, they are not negative. So out of 36, we are left only with 33. Okay, look at number 1. How many 1 here? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what happened now? The rank of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are combined. Shared. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 berapa? Slow, 28. 28 divided by 7? 4. So everybody gets 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All 7 of those with the value of 1 get a ranking of 4. They get average. Okay. So now we got until 7 done kan? So 8, 9, got 10. You see got 3 here. 1, 2, 3, number 2. 8, 9, 10. So 8 plus 9 plus 10, 27. 27 divided by 3, 9. So everybody got the ranking of 9. So on and so forth. So after you finish 10, then 11, 12. 11, 12, 11.5. Okay. So 13, 14, 15. So 14. So all these are the average of the ties. So you got all this pangkat, you give all the rank, you sum up the rank. You got 409 negative, you got 152 for the positive. So we put this into this. So you got 152 positive, we got 409 negative. So we take the smaller value, the 152, and we refer to the table. The table looks like this. We started with 36. 3 removed because we got 0. So we end up with 33. So we take the look at the 33. So this is the 33. So you can see here, it is the value of 152 is between p-value of 0.05 and 0.0. So p-value is smaller than 0.05. So it is significant. So there is significant difference of blood pressure before and after resting. So therefore you should take the BP after resting for 5 minutes. Okay. The conclusion here, there is significant difference of blood pressure measured at 2 different times. BP before rest is significantly higher than after the rest. Null hypothesis is rejected.